But let's start in a very traditional way. It's Monday and it's wash day.
So it is, and out here in the Money Go Round ancillary studio, that's to say the scene dock, where I've fallen behind with my chores this weekend, I've brought some of my washing into the studio, particularly two very dirty tracksuit tops. And here to help me wash them in a pair of identical washing machines is Maeve Robertson from the Edinburgh Consumer Group. Maeve, you hang on to that one for a moment. Now, I'm going to wash this one in brand X detergent, and Maeve over here is going to use this, brand C. Now, we'll tell you what this is all about later on in the programme. Let's get them in. Now, you'll remember that Maeve and I have each washed a very dirty, a tracksuit top in these identical machines. So let's see how the two washes compare. Right, there's mine.
Where's your dirty marks?
That's it. That's it. What do you think?
Well, that's wonderful, yes.
That's quite. They're both clean.
Yes, I think
I would claim that mine has a slight edge.
perhaps it has a slight
All
edge.
right.
It was very
Well,
dirty.
Let's you all into the secret. My shirt has been washed, as we said, in brand X, a leading detergent designed for automatic washing machines at a temperature of 60 degrees. Now, Maeve's tracksuit top, on the other hand, has been washed in cold water. This Zanussi machine has a special cold wash cycle, one of the very few machines that actually does. And it's been washed with this detergent that we showed you at the beginning, detergent brand C, which is specially designed for use in all temperatures, including cold. Well, now, Maeve, the Edinburgh Consumer Group's done quite a lot of work on cold water washing. What sort of results have you had?
Yes, we did test it, and we were very impressed. I was particularly impressed, and I have never since used a hot water wash, as a matter of fact.
What, then, are the advantages of washing in cold water?
Well, in a word, money, and of course that interests us Scots a lot. I mean, you are really saving an awful lot on heating your water, whether the machine's heating it or you're heating it at home.
What are the problems?
Problems are it's not readily available. You can't get brand C in the shops. And in fact, there isn't a true cold water detergent marketed here, as far as I know. Plus, machines don't do it either, of course.
At which point we contacted the three main detergent manufacturers. That is to say, Lever Brothers, Procter & Gamble, and Albright & Wilson, who make own brand detergent, and asked them to join us on the programme to explain why cold water detergents can't be bought in this country, although they are widely available in America, Australia and most of Europe. Well, the manufacturers declined to appear on the programme, but they did give three main reasons why they don't market the stuff. So I'll put these reasons to you, Maeve.
I'd be very interested.
How does this grab you? They say low temperatures are not hygienic and don't kill germs and bacteria.
That one pulled me up a bit short when I first heard it, but I'm now convinced that it's a non-event. I think that anything you do at home, like kissing or going to bed together or using damp dishcloths in the kitchen, is much more dangerous than anything a washing machine is going to do.
They claim that the proverbial British housewife rather likes hot, sudsy water and won't accept it.
True, the proverbial British housewife probably does, but I think people now are really ready for a change in thinking. And we do all want to save energy after all, and this you could do an awful lot with.
Finally and briefly, they say cold water in this country is a lot colder and harder than in hot countries. It makes it unsuitable.
That too is true, but our tests have shown that if you get a true cold water detergent, it doesn't matter at all about the hardness of the water.
Finally, in 2 seconds, what would you like to see happen then?
I'd like to see the washing machine manufacturers making it possible for us all to use cold water if we want to, and I'd like to see the soap manufacturers just giving us that choice.
OK.
We deserve it.
That seems fair. Till next week, bye-bye.